Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Mess with Michelle. Thanks so much for joining me because today's video is all about an afternoon speed clean. I really had a fire underneath me to get this done as soon as possible and as fast as possible, so I wanted to focus on my kitchen, my hallway, and my living room because these are the most high traffic areas. So once I got in my mind I wanted to get it done, it really kicked me up in high gear to get it done in a short amount of time. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name's Michelle and I love cleaning motivation and I love to do how-to videos as well as DIYs. So if it sounds like something you want to be part of, make sure you consider hitting that subscribe button because I love to take you on my messy journey. If you need that extra push of motivation to get your tasks done just like me and you're in a hurry, make sure you turn up the tunes, pump this music, and let's get cleaning together. Recently, I've had so many new subscribers and people who've been here from the beginning, so I want you to say hi in the comments, let me know where you're watching from because I really truly appreciate your support and clicking on my videos and supporting me every week. So I just used baking soda in my sink just to give it a nice scrub and to brighten it up and to shine it. And I'm also using vinegar and water to clean my countertops with a microfiber cloth. And I'm also using the same combination of vinegar and water on my stove top you'll see in just a moment. As a tip, if you have a gas range, you notice that the top grills are getting discolored and they need to be brightened up or cleaned. You can actually pop them into your oven during the cleaning cycle and it actually helps clean the grills at the same time. I just recently found this out and think it's a great idea. I haven't done it myself, but I definitely want to try it out. But if you are doing it yourself, make sure you read the instructions before going in and putting the grills in just to make sure your oven can do the same as mine. Bobby and I recently went to a local market and we bought this fresh corn and we kind of went a little crazy because we bought 12 cobs all together, so I really had nowhere else to put it, so I thought I'd pop it in my fruit bowl to hold on to until we're ready to eat it. Just as a tip, if you have a toaster with a digital screen, I recommend not dumping over your toaster to get rid of the crumbs because that's what I did and now I have a problem with crumbs in the screen. So if you happen to know how to get rid of the crumbs inside the screen without tearing it apart, definitely leave a comment below. Today's video, I'm going to be using a mop and broom to clean my floors, and if you've been to my channel before, you know that I have the Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max that mops and vacuums at the same time. But one of my subscribers suggested and asked that if I could possibly make a video using different tools, and definitely want to make sure that you know that you can use a mop and broom to effectively clean your floors. You don't always need the Crosswave to be able to clean your house effectively, so it's actually great going back to the basics, and it's quite satisfying seeing all the hair that I picked up with the broom during my cleaning process when I was cleaning my floors. I'm using pure white vinegar and hot water on my tiled floors, and if you're new to my channel, I'm doing my best to going green in my everyday cleaning routine and using options that are not harsh chemicals. So I've switched to using microfiber cloths over paper towels and alternatives to using harsh cleaners for the floor. Although there's a little bit of work to do, if there's any suggestions of what I can use on my hardwood floors, that'd be greatly appreciated, because right now I'm just using a all-purpose Bruce cleaner for my hard surfaces in my hallway. So if there's something out there that you'd recommend, I definitely am open to suggestions. If you follow me on Instagram, I mentioned that I wanted to go fall shopping to look for some decor, and I found a couple of pieces for this hallway table. I really wanted to dress it up because it's the first thing that you see when you walk into the house. So I'm looking forward to adding the decor to the table, and I'm also on the hunt for some more items, hopefully for my mantle in my living room. As mentioned, there's still work to do, so I am using this Bruce cleaner to clean my hardwood floors. I'm just spraying it directly on the floors and using a Swiffer wet mop just to spread it along and clean the floors, because I did run out of the Swiffer solution because I'm trying not to use it in my going green journey. So as I mentioned earlier, if there's anything you can suggest that's natural or eco-friendly for hardwood floors, I'm definitely open to suggestions. As I was putting away the chairs, I had a nice little surprise in my backyard, and I saw this little fox out in the back field, and I thought it was so nice to see him. I'm not really sure where he was going, but it looked like he was on the hunt for something next door by the bird feeder. My house backs on protected land. You can see there's a lot of greenery, and we have so many unexpected guests like the fox. We also get deer, rabbits, and most recently we actually got a family of turkeys in the back, which was kind of unusual to see, but it was kind of cool to see the little turkey family roaming around the tall grass. It was nice busting out my broom for a change, because when I'm using my Crosswave or my vacuum, I don't typically go underneath my TV stand, and there was so much built up hair and debris that it was nice just to use my broom to sweep it all out. And you can see I got quite a bit from underneath both my side table and my TV stand. You may notice on top of my stove I have my cast iron pan that still needs to be cleaned, but I usually leave that up to Bobby to season and clean because he does the better job and he likes to maintain these types of cookware, so I just leave that for him to do it a little bit later on in the evening. Sometimes you really don't have that motivation right away to clean your house, but when you get going and you put that fire underneath you, when you set your goals of how long you want to clean your house, it really does help. I really like going back and seeing the nice clean kitchen and all the different areas of my house that I've accomplished and I cleaned, and I feel so much better that it's all finished. But now that it's all clean, I have to go back into the kitchen and mess it up because now it's time to prepare dinner. So I really hope you enjoyed today's speed clean with me, and just as a reminder, I upload my videos every Sunday, so I really hope to see you next Sunday for my next video.